Alright, let's cut through the noise. Is the NivaSleeps alignment pillow actually worth it, or is it just another overhyped internet fad? If you're a side sleeper like me, you know waking up with hip or back pain isn't just annoying, it can ruin your whole day. NivaSleeps claims their ergonomic leg pillow fixes all that, but does it really deliver? First off, real users are reporting some pretty legit relief. I'm talking less stiffness in the lower back and hips, and a lot of people are saying the pillow actually stays between their legs all night, thanks to this smart elastic strap. No more waking up hunting for your pillow on the floor. Now what's it made of? The memory foam here is supportive and doesn't flatten out after a couple weeks. It's breathable, so you're not sweating buckets. But honestly, it might still get a little warm, especially in the summer. Cleaning? Super easy. The cover zips right off and goes in the wash. But here's the part you need to know. NivaSleeps offers a 90-night money-back guarantee, but, and this is a big but, you'll have to pay for return shipping. If you're in the US, it's not too bad. But international folks might find it pricey. Plus, you need to email their support and get approval before returning. No random drop-offs. So is it a scam? Compared to all those viral pillows that never show up or overpromise and underdeliver, like Durilla or Nuzzle, NivaSleeps actually has more positive reviews, and customers are mostly happy. Bottom line, if you're a side sleeper desperate for better alignment and less pain, NivaSleeps is a solid option. Just read the fine print about returns so you're not caught off guard. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, or if you have another pillow that's changed your sleep.